Hello everyone, welcome to Shaun Academy. Today in this video, we're going to learn how to start a photo booth business. My name is Shaun Randall and I'll be your business advisor in this video. Now, before we start your photo booth business, let's take a closer look at what goes into starting a photo booth business and why it's still in demand. According to Key Point Intelligence, over 1.43 trillion photos were taken in 2020. Even though your potential customers can simply take pictures with their smartphones, there are times when using a smartphone is not enough. Engagements, wedding, reunion, and even simple family and professional photo shoots usually necessitate the service of a professional. Starting a photo booth business will allow you to work with professional equipment such as quality cameras, lights, and filters that you will not normally have access to. The great thing about starting a photo booth business is that the startup costs are substantially lower than other types of businesses. You can work from almost anywhere with a lot of flexibility, and you don't need to invest much when you first start. Here are some guidelines to help you get started. Step 1. Conduct market research. Doing market research before you begin will increase your chances of success. To successfully expand your photo booth business, you must first ask yourself the following question. 1. How many photo booth providers are in your area? 2. What photo booths do other companies have, and what functionalities do they have? 3. What do other companies charge for photo booth rental packages? 4. Where do they advertise their photo booth service? Step 2. Consider your objectives. Before you begin, you should determine what your objectives are. To keep your photo booth business running, you must carefully plan your action strategy. Some of the questions you should consider are: 1. What locations would your photo booth cover? 2. Do you have a suitable mode of transportation? 3. Do you have any free time, such as evenings and weekends? 4. How much would you have to charge in order for your photo booth to be profitable? 5. How many bookings would you have to take in order to earn the desired income? Step 3. Make a company name. Creating a company name is critical so that potential customers can find you and understand that you provide photo services. Here are a few pointers to get you started. 1. Think of a name that describes you and your business. 2. Try to incorporate the phrase photo booth into your name, as this will help your website rank in Google search engine. 3. Before deciding on a name, check domain availability to make sure that no one else has your name before proceeding. 4. Purchase the domain name while it's still available to avoid someone else getting it first. Step 4. Shop around and find a photo booth that is right for you. You should shop around for a photo booth that is right for you and your lifestyle. If you're just getting started, make sure it's affordable, appropriate, usable, and transportable to meet your needs. Here are some of the few pointers to get you started. 1. Shop around on Amazon or at the market. 2. Check that the photo booth is simple to use and ask to see the software in action, demonstrating how to complete common tasks. 3. Inquire about warranties. 4. Choose a photo booth that includes the features you want to charge for your customers. If you find this video helpful, click on the like button to show your appreciation. Also, leave a comment below if you'd like us to make a long, detailed follow-up video to learn more about how to start a photo booth business. And don't forget to click the subscribe button for more videos from Shaun Academy, an extension for education.